Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing some holiday edition highlighter recommendations. So some highlighter products that I feel like are going to be stunning and really get you glowing around the holidays. So this is gonna be a very fun video. Before we get started, please give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, you guys. Means the world to me, and you get 3 videos a week, so please make sure to hit that button. But if you wanna see my holiday highlight product recommendations, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, let's jump in. I have 5 products here. I tried to do a nice variety of like liquid creams and powders so that there's something for everyone in here. Side note though, I always love to layer my highlighters, especially if I'm going a little bit more glam with my makeup. So I'll do like a liquid or a cream first, and then once I set my makeup, I'll go back over with a powder highlighter. So that's just something that I do. Obviously everyone is different, but just a little recommendation if you want a full glam and a very beaming highlight. As usual with this video, I don't have these products in any kind of order. I'm just gonna grab one, tell you why I recommend it, and then we'll move on to the next. These products are good for year-round, not just around the holidays, but these are some that I really feel like in the colder months are still super comfortable to wear and are not gonna make you look super like greasy or sweaty. Like they'll truly give you a beautiful glowing highlight and that will last a really long time. So first product I have is from Fenty Beauty. It's the EAZE Droplet All Over Glow Enhancer, and this is in the shade Taffy Topaz. I just have to show you guys a swatch of this. You can wear it on its own, you can wear it under makeup, you can wear it on top of makeup, however you would like, and it gives you this really beautiful, subtle, champagne-y gold pop to your skin. I've worn this all kinds of ways on my skin, like just on its own, bare skinned with no makeup, or on top of products, underneath products, and every single time it just makes my skin look like I just got a facial or something. It is absolutely stunning. It doesn't feel like makeup, it just feels super lightweight and almost like skincare feeling. It's not skincare, but it just has that feeling of like I'm putting a serum on my face kind of thing. And the glow that you get, like it's not sparkly, it's not chunky glitter, it's truly a glow. And I'm so obsessed with this. You could wear it wherever you want on your face, like highlight your nose, highlight your eyelids, your cheeks, your whatever, and it looks so beautiful every single time. I truly cannot recommend this enough. Next is from Dior. This is the Dior Forever Glow Maximizer. This is in the shade Peachy. So this is a highlighter slash blush. I know this is a peachy blush slash highlighter, but when you actually apply it onto your skin, it does not look super like summery peachy to where like you could only wear this in the summer. I actually feel like this gives kind of a festive glow. It's really pretty. Like when you blend it out, you can't see too much of that peach. Like it doesn't look super pinky. It's really subtle. So you almost get more of that highlight than you do the blush effect. And it looks insane. Like these two next to each other are completely different colors, but the glow is there. Whenever I put this on my cheeks, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I am beaming. It's beaming but natural, if that makes sense. It doesn't look like you have a ton of product on your cheeks, but it's still gonna give you that beaming highlight, so I absolutely love it. Again, once it's set, it won't budge. It does not feel like makeup on your skin, so it's super comfortable to wear. So I'm just obsessed with this product. And I'll have all of these linked in the description box for you guys to check out. But next up is a duo. I've talked about this so many times on my channel at this point, and I will continue to because I just love this product. This is from Patrick Ta. It's the Major Glow Cream and Powder Light Reflecting Translucent Highlighter Duo. I have the shade Daddy. So here is the product. You have powder up here and then a cream that was in that little window. to protect it, which I love that Patrick Ta does that with the cream products. Both of these are so amazing. I'm wearing the cream one right now, just the cream, and I feel like it's giving me such a beautiful glow to my skin, and it literally looks like a sweaty glow in the best possible way. Like, it just looks like my skin is glowing from within. It doesn't look like I have product that's doing that. And I feel like that's the main thing for me when it comes to highlighter products. Like, I want it to look like I'm just glowing. I don't want it to look like it took a bunch of products to make it happen. So absolutely obsessed. I'll do a little swatch of both of these. Also, obviously you could wear these individually depending on whatever you feel. Like, you could just do the cream, just do the powder, or you could do the cream when you're adding your cream products and then later on apply the powder. Or what Patrick Ta online suggested was you could apply the powder first and then apply the cream on top. I tried that and got the most beautiful result. Like, I was truly obsessed with whatever happened on my face. So I definitely would recommend trying that too. It was beautiful. So here is the cream and here is the powder. I don't know how well the camera is picking it up, but absolutely stunning. The cream on this one is a little bit more like gel-ish. It does feel a little bit more wet than the previous two, but it is so stunning. And then that powder, it just gives you this pearlescent glow, and it is another beaming highlight, just so pretty. And the color is absolutely stunning. It's not like a true champagne, it's almost like a rose goldy champagne kind of color. Absolutely stunning. I feel like this is perfect around the holidays too, because it's so natural looking, but it still adds that pop of color and glow. So highly obsessed. And then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Seeker Highlighter. This is in the shade Sun Idol. I feel like this color screams holidays to me. It's like the perfect champagne-y gold mixture. I'm gonna do a swatch down here for you guys so you can see. It actually looks really good with the Fenty highlighter. Like, if you paired the two, like did Fenty first and then added this one on top, the colors go really nicely together. But it is so glowy, so stunning. I would say this one is the most like in your face of the ones I've showed you so far. It's a powder, so I feel like that's bound to happen, but it is so soft to touch. It feels super buttery. It's not like scratchy. It doesn't look patchy or cakey or anything. It really does just add this beautiful layer of glow to your skin, but a beaming glow. So you don't need a ton of product to get a beautiful result with this. Lasts so long, and just look at that color. Like, I'm so obsessed. Around the holidays, this just literally makes me think New Year's. So I'm obsessed. I love it. I definitely recommend. And then last but not least, we have NARS, the Light Reflecting Luminizing Powder in Ophelia. So this one's a little bit darker than the others. This one, compared to the others, gives you like a cross between Bronzed Goddess slash I want like a holiday glow. So here's this one swatched. You can see the color difference between the two. The NARS is definitely on the deeper, warmer side, but it looks so stunning. It almost is like this, the swatch makes it look like a metallic-y kind of glow, but on the skin, it is just the perfect, like, bronzy, highlighty, just beautiful glow. Also perfect around the holidays, especially if you want something that's like very like bronzed up and just need that extra something to give you a glow, a finish. This is that. I just cannot recommend it enough. It's so beautiful. Again, all of these are so beautiful year round, but especially around the holidays when you want that extra pop of color or glow to your skin, these will deliver. At least in my opinion, they will. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about my choices here. Let me know what else you want me to try for you. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.